Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to add government or transit cards to your Samsung wallet in 2025. So step 1, open the Samsung wallet app on your Galaxy device. Step 2, tap on add to wallet and select transit or ID or government card, depending on what you are trying to add. Step 3, choose your city or country's supported transit system or digital ID form list. Step 4, for transit cards, follow the instructions to load balance and setup tap to pay access. And for government IDs, scan the physical ID and verify with a selfie or a facial scan. Step 5, Samsung may require an in-app verification with your city or country's digital ID provider. Step 6, once you are verified, your card will now be stored in wallet and ready for scanning or tapping at terminals. And now you can use your government and transit cards directly from Samsung Wallet. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.